Okay, hey guys, I'm here with the Sportsman generator. I'm just going to give you a side view of it quickly. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a quick little test, and I'm going to do these two items that I have. One is the Bosch drill. It's 14.5 amps. It's supposed to be peaking out at 1740 watts. And will it run without overloading this generator, which is the Sportsman? I'll just give you a quick view. So it is 1800 running watts, 2200 peak watts. So is it going to overload this generator or not? And so there's basically a little overload alert right here. And so I'm curious, is that light going to go off during the test or not? And I'm also going to be testing this angle grinder. It's only 12 amp, so 1440 watt, but I'm still curious to see if either one of them will trigger the overload alert light. Okay, so first we're going to plug in the angle grinder, see what happens. Looks like it triggered it. So I don't know what's going on, but maybe if I take it out of, it says economy mode. I don't know if the economy mode will affect it at all, but let's see. I'm going to turn the economy mode off. Okay, so that was very interesting. So it looks only when I'm starting it up does it, for a brief period, does the overload light come on, and then after that brief initial surge, then the overload light goes off on the generator. So that's very interesting. Okay, now let's try. I've got a little rock here, and let's see what happens when I try drilling the rock with the drill. It has Okay, here we go. Okay, so same thing happened there, guys. Initially, on the initial startup, it did trigger the overload alert, but after that it did go off. And I had the drill on the full power setting, level 6. It's the RH850 VC drill from Bosch, and again 14.5 amps. So hope this test was useful for you guys if you're considering using this generator. It's only 79cc generator, so I know if you go with some of the larger generators, like they have so if you go with Honda, for example, they have a larger engine. I can't remember the exact size, but they'll claim like 1600 watt running watts and I think 2000 peak watts. However, it's a much larger engine than this one, and yet this generator is claiming more running watts. So I think the Honda is like 100, at least 100 cc, maybe 120 cc, and yet they're only claiming 1600 running watts. So it's, I'm sure you can see some videos online about how people are saying that Honda's underrating their generators. So I'm just curious, like this Sportsman generator, would it actually run something close to the 1800 watts? And it looks like it is. So I hope this video has been useful for you, and you can see some of my other videos on this generator. And thanks very much for watching, and please take the time to comment or subscribe. Thank you.